Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 33rd tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned CSS float and clear. In this tutorial, you will learn CSS Inline-block. So let's get started. Okay guys, the main difference between CSS Inline-block and CSS Inline display property is that Inline-block allows you to set a width and height to your element. But with inline, you cannot set the width and the height. Alright? To make you understand it, I have created these three paragraphs. In the CSS, I will apply these three display properties so that you see the difference. Inside the paragraph, there are spans. Alright? The first span is here with class of 1. It is closed here. The second one is here within the same paragraph. The class is the same because I want to apply the same style to it. The second one has class of 2. There are 2 inside this paragraph as well. And then the third one has a class of 3. There are 2 as well. So now let me paste my CSS to save time. So you see now span and then 1. So this one targets the first span in the first paragraph. The display is inline block. The width is 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, padding 5 pixels, border 1 pixel solid, blue, and then background color, yellow. The same to 2 spans in the second paragraph. You can see the display is inline. This one is inline block, but this one is inline. So the same values here are here. The only difference is the display. And then the third one here, the display is block. All right. The values are the same. The only difference is this display block. All right. Now let me save it. Let me refresh. You can see with inline block, the height and the width are increased and the elements are displayed horizontally. Alright? With inline, the height and the width are not increased, although we specified it here. You can see here we said width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. So here they are not increased because inline display doesn't allow you to increase the height and the width. Alright? And then with block display, you can see now the height and the width are increased, but they are displayed vertically. That's because these are block element with display block. Alright? You can see there is margin added here, which we did not specify in our CSS here. Right? Whereas here, there is no margin added. The two elements are stacked together without any margin between them, as you can see here. So the main difference here, the inline block displays the element horizontally, while the block displays the element vertically without adding any margin. And then with inline, you cannot add any width and height properties here. Alright, I hope you have understood. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS pseudo classes and pseudo elements. So I will see you there.